everyone, this is Malika, founder of Dreamcatcher Interior Design. So after a long time, I'm going to show you one of my project. It's in MR Emerald, Gurgaon. So today we are going to hand over the project to my client. So let's see how they react. But this is a 3 BHK apartment with a servant room, and the carpet area is around 800-900 square feet. So we try to put as per my client desire, the things, the dining table, the sofa, the TV unit, mandir. So today is the time to celebrate with my clients. So let's see how they react. Thank you. So this is the electronic lock from Yale. So मेरे क्लाइंट की पहली रिक्वायरमेंट थी कि मुझे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक लॉक चाहिए. ऐसे फेयर इनफ. सो वी सजेस्टेड येल और उन्होंने येल का ही फिक्स करा. एंड दिस इज द लिविंग कम डाइनिंग. सो आई विल टेक यू टू द लिविंग एरिया. So the whole house is in grey, black and white theme. So we made this crockery unit with a beige tea color. With this bar unit, this is all wine holder, wine case. So this is like that. Here is one more unit is there with profile handle, with profile doors. So this is a tall unit, so they can keep their stuff. This is the dining table which we customize, black and beige. This is a TV unit again with white and black inlay plate here with teak shelves. And we made this wall, accent wall with marble finish and with the emerald green sofa. This is tuxedo sofa with the modern light, and this with beautiful mesh of table. This is an accent chair, little floral, beige and olive green combination. And the curtain we played here, raw silk with black. And here is a big mandir. Here is a big mandir. Huge mandir with nice carving. This is a Korean mandir, and lobby area. So this is a one architect, and we put here track light with magnetic light, and this wall art effect. So this is a kitchen. So this is the rose gold profile with black tinted glass cabinets, and here the नीचे वाला cabinet हमने tea blue के साथ play किया है with rose gold handle, and here is a pantry. और ऊपर की जगह पे हमने ऊपर के cupboards पे हमने white use किया है to lighter down the steel blue. And this is the pantry actually. This is the pantry. And this is wash basin we have. So this is trending nowadays, so we thought let me put less time to my client. And very comfy also. You get a lot of attachment here. The RO system is there. Then the soap dispenser. And you can wash your glass. You can put the glass here and then it will clean it with the pressure and the chopping board. And this is the mode of like slow and flow. And this is the guest bedroom. So we have actually theme with beige. So this is the bed. It's a queen size bed with the one side table. We made with this beige curtain. Small TV unit they required here. And the lighting and the fall ceiling is quite simple. We kept here. And this is the sliding almirah because here is a space concern. So this is the sliding wardrobe we've suggested, and my clients ready to make this. So this is the master bedroom. We designed and we have chosen the color grey, white and black. So we made this bed, double bed with a rose gold strip and the pendant light. And look at this fall ceiling. It's curved C, right? Then we made this study table here. This is a TV panel, TV unit, all black and grey and white combination we played in this room. And this is the sliding almirah. And this is the black and white theme fan also. And here is a walk-in closet. So this is with the glass profile. Here is a good space we can utilize for dressing stuff. And this is the master washroom. The washroom size is quite small, but still we have choose color very light for this washroom. And this is the vanity. This is thermostat diverter. This is all jacquard fittings. This is the kids room. So my client has one son. His age is around 7-8 years and he's very fond of dinosaur. So especially he actually made clear with me कि आंटी मुझे dinosaur चाहिए. So हमने इसको hand painting कराया and उधर उसका नाम हमने लिखवा दिया है. And make this wardrobe. और हमने इस पे decals लगाए डायनासोर के. And this is the almirah, the full size almirah with the open space with lot of storage. And here is a study. हमने इस रूम को sky blue, powder blue and white में convert किया है. This is the study. And this is a shelf. Arch is really trending these days. So this is the study. And this is the bed we made. And this is the view of this window, from this window. And हमने cloud बनाए हैं इनके बच्चे के रूम के लिए. We designed cloud. Welcome.
Thank you so much. Mama, Papa. Thank you so much.
Please.
Oh no. Thank you so
नहीं
much.
घर पे ही देंगे.
Thank you so much.
Wow.
Wow, beautiful.
So we thought, let's see my client क्या कहते हैं उसको
Reaction.
रिएक्शन
Lovely, lovely.
Lovely.
And
Best
thank you
lady.
so much. Thank you so
Very
much.
good.
आइए प्लीज come in
Thank
it's
you.
all yours
Thank you so much.
So hi, we are sitting with my client, Mayank ji and Neha ji. So we have just handed over the keys to one of my lovely clients. They trusted us. Let's see उनको हमारा experience हमारे साथ कैसा रहा, journey कैसी रही. So let's talk to them. Yes, Mayank ji and Neha ji.
So yeah.
और ये अंकल आंटी है, Mayank ji के father, mother. So they all are invited. So let's go to Mayank ji.
So I think first of all, thank you so much, Malika ji and Gagan ji. I think the journey has been really good with you guys. I think we met a couple of months back where we were struggling initially to get our house done, with one of our previous interior designers. But we are fortunate enough. We came across Dreamcatchers, you guys, and I think the first impression was it was very warm, and there was a connection. That is very important. When you're working with someone, it's very important. And then secondly, the ideas which were coming across, considering the space which we had, I think it's beautifully executed. The interior suggestions, the overall look and feel which was designed in 3D layouts was really good, and eventually it's in front of us now, so it's beautifully done. And I would definitely recommend Gaganji and Malika
Same
ji.
here. We would love to recommend you to anybody, and you have just given us I could never think that we could have such a beautiful house, all thanks to you both. That
Thank you.
it's a dream come true for us, and something that we have really eagerly waited for, and you people have delivered it. So thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for choosing and trusting Dreamcatcher, ma'am, because there are a lot of interior designing companies is there. And when you call someone, there are a lot of carpenters and the interior people used to come and visit your home. But you need to understand the interior designer is a person who can guide you, the color combination, the space management and everything. And top of it, whatever we have suggested, you guys accepted. So, the results is in front of you, as Mayank ji said. So, thank you so much, Neha ji, Mayank ji.
Thank you.
We hope कि हम आपका दूसरा घर भी हम ही बनाए और अंकल
Many, many more to come.
और अंकल आंटी हैं वो बड़े हैं तो वो भी थोड़ा सा कुछ
Yeah,
बताएं।
when I entered, I was really fascinated to see that when I went through the entire apartment and saw that the most important thing is in a limited space you have utilized each and every inch or corner of this place to make it more effective and utilized. So this is very good, and of course it looks very modern from every angle, and especially the temple or the sitting area, they are very well managed, and I'm fascinated to see new kind of lights and fans and whatnot. Everything is so beautiful and very effectively and very nicely done. Good luck to you and your team.
Thank you.
And definitely, if anybody, entire NCR, I work with surgeons and doctors, so we will, I'll take your reference and definitely
Thank you.
refer you to those guys.
Thank you.
I love this. Everything is perfect. I'm very happy to see.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And lastly, I really appreciate my team because उनके बिना हम ये काम I can design,
True.
but मेरा टीम में जो मेरे डिज़ाइनर हैं अमित, अगर वो उसको इतना अच्छे से नहीं ड्रॉ कर पाते, नहीं निकल उससे बखूबी मेरे कारपेंटर ने उसको उतने अच्छे से निकाला. So it's a teamwork.
Yeah, sure.
सब chain wise जुड़े हैं, and it's all efforts to my carpenter team, my electrician, my designer, everyone, my plumber, my tile guy. So thanks to all.
Absolutely.
उन लोगों को भी मैं thanks कहूँगी. So
It's a
I
teamwork,
hope-
yeah, sure.
So I hope आपका stay यहाँ बहुत peaceful रहे.
Thank you.
अल्लाह इस घर में बहुत आराम से रहें, सुखी रहें.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thanks to
much.
both of you and your team.
Thank you, uncle.
Thank you. All the best.
Thank you.
चलो साथ आओ.
So hi Nikki.
Hello, and this is my really nice room, and it has lots of love and happiness into me because of everything which is here is the best. Everything in here is the best. I like everything. Thank you.
Thank you.